Hey everyone, let's break down an important concept in networking: private versus public IP addresses. You may have seen IPs like 192.168.0.1 or 10.0.0.5 and wondered, are these public or private? And what's the difference? Here's the simple version. Public IP addresses are globally unique. They're assigned by your internet service provider and are used to communicate over the internet. Think of a public IP like your house's address on the main road. Everyone online can find you using it. On the other hand, private IP addresses are used only within local networks, like your home, office, or school Wi-Fi. Devices like your phone, laptop, smart TV all get private IPs from your router using DHCP. These IPs are assigned dynamically and cannot be accessed directly from the internet. So how do they communicate with the internet? That's where NAT comes in, Network Address Translation. It translates private IPs to a public IP when you go online. PIP address ranges. According to IPv4 standards, these are the reserved private IP ranges. Class A, from 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. Huge range used in large networks. Class B, from 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255, medium-sized networks. Class C, from 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255, most common in home and small office networks. Any IP outside these ranges is public and routable on the internet. Here's a quick example. Your phone gets 192.168.1.2 inside your home network, private. Your router uses a public IP like 103.45.67.89 to talk to the internet. Why do we use private IPs? To save the limited number of IPv4 public addresses, to provide extra security because private IPs aren't exposed to the internet. Recap: private IPs equals internal use only, can't access the internet directly. Public IPs used for internet communication, assigned by ISPs. Common private ranges: 10.0.0.0/8, 172.16.0.0/12, 192.168.0.0/16. And that's it. In the next video, we'll explore how your device actually gets its IP address using DHCP and why you never need to type it manually. Stay tuned.